channel. Installing our signal. Our connection in Cignal is 1,000 load for a month, and then we have all channel, including the English channel and the international channel in it. Man, everything is included and it's clear. So that's pretty good. You can also load 100 pesos, but you only got a few channel, and there is also 200, 300, 450 up to 1,000. So amugaw. Here we go, guys. We have the Cignal satellite installed, and it works just fine. So Cignal satellite, you can just go to the save and earn store in the town, and they'll install. Less than an hour of installation. That the 2,790 is include everything, and you own everything, the desk and the box. So this is the receipt. Save and earn. And a Cignal HD 2,790, and installation fee is 1,000. And here's the total down here, 3,790. And because we are a little bit far from town, 15 kilometers, we have to pay 150 pesos for installation expenses for the man coming up here. That's how it works here. And that looks pretty good. It works. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just leave a comment below, and I will try to answer. And that's it for now, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified from my next video.